Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create a pie chart like this, okay, with percentage. Okay, so you can create a pie chart. You can also stand out slice here like this, okay, whichever you choose. So how to create that pie chart? So first what you have to do, here I have same data, okay, pasted here in this sheet, and now I am going to create that pie chart again. Okay, so to create that pie chart, you have to just select all the data of which you want to create the pie chart. Go to insert, and here you will see pie chart option. Just click on it, and here you will see 2D, 3D and donut, but I want to use this simple 2D pie chart. Now I have to resize it. Okay, place here. And now first thing we will do is to uh, data label. Okay, we are going to add data label here. So what you have to do, just select this, then here you will see add chart element, click on it. Then here you will see data label option, click on it and click on inside end. Okay, now you will see all data is added. Now as I want to add the data, add the data of uh, percentage, okay, not this number. So what you have to do, you have to just click on it, then right click, and then here you will see format data labels, click on it, and then you will see here options, value from cell, series, category, name. You have to just deselect value, click on percentage. Okay, then now here you will see label position, center, inside, outside, best fit. So I want that inside, so this is best. Then what you have to do, now again here you will see all the slices is in percentage. Okay, the data label in percentage. Now we have to click on it again, and then we are going to change the angle. Okay, if you want, I want this 31% should be here. Okay, so how to change that angle, you have to right click here and then go to data format series, and then here we will see angle of the slice. Okay, so as I want this to this, so I have to add 180%. Okay, this should be 180%, and then you will see. Okay, so like this you can change all these things. And now if you want to just stand out the data, okay, stand out one slice. So as I want to stand out this slice, so what you have to do, you have to just select one slice. Okay, that one slice by double clicking on that slice. Then here you will see point explosion. Okay, now you have to increase it to 15%. Okay, now you will see that slice data is, the slices stand out. Okay, so now if you want to change the color of that slice, as I want to change this, the color of this slice, so what I have to do, you have to select that slice, only that slice which of which you want to change the color. Then here you will see save fill option, click on it, and now you will see the data, the color of the that slice has been changed. So like this you can create a pie chart in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.